Report July 6, 2020, 55-188-N3011. Managed terminal operation status approved. Security classification, unclassified distribution restriction approved for public release distribution, unlimited destruction, notice non-foreign disclosure, FD1. Conditions all operating environmental. You are movement supervisor, task managing safety procedures, staging methods, and coordination of rail, water, air arrival, the departure, airfield control group operation, given the cargo equipment, rail, air, and vessel load plans, risk assessment, unit standard operation procedures, Army training publication 413, 416, training circular 413-17. Some iteration of tasks should be performed in MOP 4, standards managed unloading modes of the transport, marshaling, manifesting, stowing, planning loads, documenting movement through the terminals with any document errors causes an IEW unit standard operation procedure ATP 14, 416, and training circular 413-17, and using the go and no-go checklist. Special conditions none, safety risk low. MOP 4 sometimes task statement. You are a movement supervisor tasked with managing safety procedures, staging methods, and coordinating rail, water, arrival, departure, airfield control group operations. Danger none. Warning none. Caution none. Remarks and notes none. Performance steps. Manage rail operation. Brief safety procedures for rail operation. Verify personnel are performing proper safety procedures. Check vehicles arriving ramp on proper sequence IAW loading plan. Check spare and secured places. Check vehicles loaded in from their assigned places. Verify vehicles planned and allocated spaces on the rail car IAW load plan. Check all the loads of the rail car with clear limits. Clearance limits, manage water operation, review staging plan, determine staging of square area, square footage, define staging methods, evaluate cargo reception, verify tally of cargo is being conducted on DOD Form 1907. Shows the signature tally record form, Department of Defense 4500 NR. Office Management Budget number 07020027, and shows the shipper's name, origin, protective service provider, bill of landing number, cosign, destination permit number, transportation control, routing, weight, cube, special instruction, date, shipment tender, name of carrier, name of pieces. Type of packages, identification, sealed numbers, freight classification, description, section 2. Print the name of the person, company, perhaps the custody record, and that's a sample. Custody record, print in person, company presented, station, interchange point, destination, signature of person accepting custody, time accepted, date accepted. F, confirm cargo being scanned when entering vessels, stage cargo according to load plan, verify automation system receiving uploads, verify all the cargo, proper documentation, DOD Form 1385 and 1386 and labels. Shows the cargo manifest. Ocean cargo manifest recapitulation or summary. Manage arrival, departure, airfield control group operation, establish, coordinate, and life support, MAHE support, marshal airing support, communication support, coordinate, tanker airlift control element, joint inspection requirements, call forward, area responsibility, load ramps, area responsibility, load and tie down support, technical assistance, hazmat holding area and procedures, custom and clearance, establish department, arrival, marshaling areas for fueling, defueling, proximity, adequate space, road net, communication maintenance area, coordinate movement of APOD, passenger cargo, manifest departure time, unit identification, convoy, clearance, bus, rail, transportation as required, route and route deviations, verify custom agricultural inspections are completed, verify all vehicles, equipment, passengers are properly prepared for air movement, ensure all vehicles, equipment were properly weighed and marked, documentation, 3 bulk cargo, 4 hazmat, 463 pallets and nets, briefing, validated aircraft load plan, inspect pallets for air shipment, review flight manifest for accuracy, verify pre-flight briefing is conducted, report departure movement control element, personal equipment of the departed, automated ITV interface when capabilities exist, manage coordinate movement of retrograde cargo, ensure containers used for the retrograde cargo can be containerized, B. Inform query customers of retrograde cargo with the requirements for receiving transportation requests for customers. Note, as a movement supervisor, you will coordinate transportation agency plan and retrograde of use of containers. Containers should be used for retrograde cargo if the cargo can be containerized and is on hand movement. If it does not interfere with the reception, onward movement of containers. C. Determine if the cargo is container compatible and if it is near final destination or inbound container. D. Manage the forward container retrograde request headquarters to port. Port will forward approved shipping dates and escort traffic release to more origin at MCT, coordinating surface deployment distribution center, and port manager redeployment retrograde containerized cargo. F. Coordinate movement of empty containers, consolidated container collection point, if approved for the retrograde, is in line haul retrograde cargo consolidation points. G. Coordinate handling equipment as needed, manage loading, stuffing containers when required, ensure soldiers tasks are appropriate mode to operate or transport containers, monitor movement of retrograde cargo, evaluation guidance, evaluation preparation, set up tasks in accordance with prescribed reference with technical manual brief. Soldiers tell soldiers to adhere to safety precautions when performing tasks listed. Note, ensure the required equipment to perform the task is available. Performance measures go, no go, non-association, not applicable. 1. Manage rail operation. 2. Manage water operation. 3. Manage arrival, departure, airfield control group operations. And 4. Manage the coordination of movement of retrograde cargo. Supporting references. ATP 413 Army Expeditionary Intermountain Operations. ATP 460 Movement Control. Field Manual 30 Operations. Field Manual 40 Sustainment Operations. Field Manual 401 Army Transportation Operation. Training Circular 413-17 Cargo Specialist Handbook Unit. Standard Operating Procedure SOP. Equipment items none, material items none, environment and conditions, safeties, individual tasks and collective tasks none, knowledge ID and name, knowledge in terminal operation, knowledge of air terminal operation, safety measures, knowledge of marine terminal operation procedures, knowledge of terminals, skill, name, ability to monitor marine terminal operations, ability to inspect terminals. That's 55-188N30 11 to manage terminal operations.